How to get unobtainable blocks in Minecraft Bedrock 1, 21 step by step. Most people get this wrong, but getting unobtainable blocks in Minecraft Bedrock 1, 21 is actually simpler than you think. You won't believe the variety of blocks you can access once you know the right steps. First, make sure you're in creative mode. Unobtainable blocks can't be mined in survival, so creative is essential. Open your inventory and check the search items bar. Some blocks, like barrier blocks or command blocks, won't appear by default, so we need commands. Enable cheats in your world settings. Without cheats, commands won't work, and you'll be stuck with only the standard blocks. Once enabled, press T or the chat icon and type your command. For example, to get a command block, type givep command block 1. Press enter, and the block will appear in your inventory instantly. Other unobtainable blocks, like structure blocks, barrier blocks, and debug blocks, work the same way. Use givep structure block 1 or givep barrier 1. These blocks are powerful tools for map making, building, and testing mechanics, so use them carefully. Finally, you can place the blocks in your world and experiment with their unique properties. Barrier blocks are invisible walls, command blocks run commands automatically, and structure blocks let you save and load structures with precision. In conclusion, getting unobtainable blocks in Minecraft Bedrock 1.21 requires creative mode, enabled cheats, and simple commands. Once you know these steps, you can expand your builds and create maps that feel truly next level.